expect to see technology stay in that leadership role?
I would expect to stay in fundamental leadership. I've been covering the tech sector for a very long time, and I can say with my heart of hearts that the fundamentals relative to the other 10 sectors in the S&P 500 are as good as they've ever been. And so fundamentally, I like it, particularly certain themes for tech spending within the sector. However, valuations are extended for some of the names and everybody's favorite names, particularly the FANGs. And so what I do is I identify the leadership companies, and frankly, I watch for a break. And the break in the action could be either macro-driven or micro-driven, and then I go in and buy them on dips.
Last December, you came on Trading Nation on this show, and you talked about the potential upside that you saw. You said that we could see a double-digit run-up, around 10% for the technology sector overall. I know that you mentioned that you think valuations may be stretched for some of these names, but generally speaking, what can investors look for out of technology, and are there signs that you could be pointing to or that you'd be looking for to show that maybe the technology trade could be losing momentum?
I think what happens is the next round of quarterly earnings reports, if we continue to see upside surprises not only for the quarters delivered, but the quarters forecasted, and the stocks no longer show momentum after this good to even fantastic news, then that might be an indication that we've had our run. And when these stocks correct, because they're so volatile, high beta stocks, that when they correct, they don't go down 2%, they go down 20%. And so you have an opportunity to buy them because overall the secular fundamentals are good. And I would like to just get my list together and buy them on any significant corrections. I'm thinking to the tune of 10, 15, or 20%. Could happen at any time.
If you have been curious how to make the money when markets fall, please visit marketcrash.money and get some additional information. Specifically, I have compiled some interesting reasons why stock market crash 2010 is a definite possibility, why we could be going for another Bitcoin crash, and more importantly, how to not let the market crash or the Bitcoin crash take advantage of you. Find out how to profit. If you're a new trader or an experienced trader, but you're looking for new ideas, new ways, how to take advantage of the market fall, because quite honestly, markets do fall much, much faster than they go up. So it represents, for a trader, a great opportunity to profit on the opposite direction of the market in a much shorter time frame and oftentimes maximize much bigger returns. So if interested in knowing the ways how I trade weekly options for huge profits as much as 3,800% to 5,000% on certain days, get in touch with me. Visit this link right here, how to profit, read some information, and schedule your consultation. I'll be glad to help out and get somebody on the right track and show you some of my profitable ideas and share some experience which I've accumulated over the last 30 years trading weekly options. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you soon.